Hi, you are in the right video if your Google Merchant Center is suspended for the misrepresentation and website need improvement issue. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Najibul. I am Google Merchant Center and website tracking expert. I have been working since 3 years and I have fixed more than 350 merchant center with the same issue, misrepresentation and website need improvement issue. As you can see on the screen, here have a 4 merchant center and in this mail are 2 merchant center. This 6 merchant center I got reactive within 8 days. If I show you the date, this one is the 27 February, 28 February, 6 March, 7 March, and 3 March and 7 March. All are reactive. If I show you the mail, all are reactive mail. If I show you the another, this one, this one, all are reactive. This is the website. These two website merchant center was suspended for the website need improvement, and the merchant center now is okay. All product are active. I have fixed all the thing from the website as per website need improvement issue. Like I have fixed from these two website broken link, and I have fixed the website speed. These two website product description was broken image that I have fixed. So there have other lot of thing actually that we have fixed. In this video, I am going to share you one merchant center case study. Mm. This is the report. I have created this report for my client, and after creating, I just sent to the client to fix. So I am going to share you one by one. Okay, so it will help for you also. This website not was the contact details in their website footer. The website footer you have must to mention the company name, phone number, email address, and business hour, response time, all the thing. You have to mention your business model, how you operate, and what kind of product you are selling. So like this information must be need to provide in the about us page. This website was multi-currency. Google actually not allow the multi-currency because in your product feed you are using the one currency, right? And in the website if you using the multi-currency, then it's a mismatch. So in the feed have a one currency, and the website according to the location your currency will change. So the feed data and the website data will not match. So that's why Google all not allow the multi currency. In the contact us page, they are not have a contact from. So that was also a reason for the suspension. Contact from must be need to mention in the contact us page, and their product image was bloody, so I suggest to use the high quality image in the product description. Mm. This is the image. This image is unclear and bloody like that. So Google not allow. Google always suggest high quality image, need to use in the product page. Yes. So yes, these all are was mistake in this website. There have other mistake, but I not mention in the docs file. I time to time communicate to the client in the WhatsApp. I just send one by one all the mistake, and they fix. Okay. So yes, if your Google merchant is suspended for the misrepresentation or website need improvement, then you can contact me. I will provide my contact details in the video description. Actually, I am providing this service to recover the merchant center to fix the misrepresentation issue. Mm. And yes, if you need my service to recover your merchant center for the misrepresentation or any kind of suspension or your product related issue, whatever you have in the merchant center are you facing, you just contact me and discuss, and then I will fix all the issue. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and I will share my another Google merchant center case study with the next video. Okay. Actually, I was busy with my lot of work. That's why I am not able to make a video for each merchant center case study. Sorry for that. And yes, recently I got all these merchant centers, so that's I thinking to share with you. So yes, so thank you. Bye.